Friends, obesity is a big problem all over the world. It's a global issue that affects millions of people. Obesity can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, and even certain types of cancer. It's not just about weight, it's about overall health. Extra weight strains our bodies. Our healthcare systems are overwhelmed with patients needing treatment for obesity-related conditions. The World Health Organization says more than 2 billion grown-ups are overweight or obese. This affects people of all ages. We need to promote healthy lifestyles to combat this crisis. You see, the way we usually try to lose weight, like going on very strict diets or exercising too much, it doesn't always work. These methods, they might help you lose weight for a little bit, but it's difficult to keep the weight off. People end up feeling hungry and disappointed. They might lose weight at first, but then they gain it all back. This up and down weight loss can be bad for both our bodies and our minds. We need to stop looking for quick fixes and start focusing on making long-lasting changes to our lifestyle. Holistic weight management is a smarter approach. It's about a balanced way of living that nurtures both mind and body. Our mind and body are connected. Taking care of mental health impacts physical health. This interconnectedness is the essence of a holistic approach. Many factors affect our weight, like genes, surroundings, choices, and emotions. Addressing all aspects of health is crucial. It's about sustainable, enjoyable lifestyle changes for long-term well-being. Eat healthy food and find enjoyable physical activities. Enjoying these habits makes them easier to maintain. Manage stress, get enough sleep, and feel good about yourself. This holistic vision creates a balanced, fulfilling life. Skillsy Academy empowers women with tools and knowledge for healthier lives. Our mission is to create a supportive environment for women to thrive. We believe in a holistic approach, from nutrition to exercises, to mental health, integrating yoga and meditation for balance and peace. Our programs teach sustainable health practices and real-life solutions, focusing on 5 pillars of balanced living and habit creation. You can monitor your progress through the Progress Tracking app. We address stress and emotions, providing tools to manage them effectively. Skillsy Academy is a supportive community where women connect and grow together. Our experts offer practical tips on balanced living through online workshops and masterclasses. By prioritizing the health of women, we unlock a ripple effect of positive change that extends to families, communities, and society as a whole. The adage, "A healthy woman, a healthy family," holds profound truth. When women prioritize their well-being, the entire household flourishes. This holistic approach to health is not just for women, it's a pathway to a healthier future for everyone. This holistic approach can be followed by anybody while our focus remains on the well-being of women of all age groups. Imagine a world where everyone is healthy and happy, where good habits are a normal part of life, where people feel confident and strong enough to make choices that are good for their mind and body. This is the kind of future Skillsy Academy is working towards, and we believe it's a future worth fighting for. How to contact Skillsy Academy? Email us at info@skillsy.in or WhatsApp +916362074132.